Hi guys, we just wanted to check in and see if you guys are doing okay and if you are still surviving. Please remember this is week 1. If FK1 and the second year is something to get used to, please don't be too hard on yourself or too stressed. We will get there. Let's just all get through week 1 first and then we take it from there, step by step. And please remember to share your location if you are feeling all alone, because maybe there's somebody in your area that you can get to know or can get together or can meet up with or have a study buddy that you don't feel so isolated. So in the learning community, remember to share your location.
Hi guys, from my side too, yes, just keep going, keep working hard. Just also remember, I think Monday is a public holiday, and from here on in, this is about the last 5-day week that you're going to have this term. It's insane. I think there's public holidays every week that are coming, so just keep going. And then I was chatting to Mrs. Schmidlian this morning a little bit about you guys in the framework, and there's just something we were chatting about that we just wanted to share with you as well. Just remember with the framework and with bookkeeping, that the bookkeeping is actually doing the framework. That's when you're really doing accounting properly. Because what happens at school is the teacher will tell you that you've got a telephone expense. So you almost learn it as a rule that you're going to debit telephone, you're going to credit bank. Or the teacher will tell you that you bought a vehicle. And you learn it as a rule, debit vehicles, credit bank. But the thing is, you're actually speaking the accounting from the framework. So it's maybe worth a while just to think a little bit about it. So when you get a telephone account, let's keep it simple. You receive the telephone account. What is the economic event? That's the thing you ask yourself. Economic event is, well, I've used the telephone and I've been charged for using it. So then you're going to classify that economic event. So there's that word classification from the framework. Is it an asset? Is it an expense? And you apply your definition of the expense to it. You realize, okay, this is an expense. It's a telephone expense. That's the name we're attaching to it. And then once you've classified it, then you're going to ask yourself, now, can I recognize this? And then recognition is about this qualitative characteristics. Is it giving relevant information? Are you faithfully representing it? And then you want to measure it, and the framework gives you measurement options. So current cost or historical cost, whatever the case may be, that proves to be giving you the most relevant, most faithfully represented information. So those qualitative things come through in everything. When you're classifying it, when you're measuring it, when you're doing your recognition criteria, qualitatives and everything. But do you see how now we've got to the answer of credit bank and debit telephone expense by applying the framework? So if you just remember that accounting isn't now these thousands of different rules for every single entry. There isn't a rule for every entry. There's a principle in accounting, and that's your conceptual framework. So just apply that to all your transactions. But what's the most important, I think, is understanding the economic event that you can apply it to. So that was just our quick check-in. Good luck, keep working hard, and we'll see you around.
Bye guys.